Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to my Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series. Today I am so excited to try out another makeup product from Believe Beauty, which is from, my new favorite store, Dollar General. This was part of my huge Dollar General makeup haul that I did not too long ago. But if you have not seen that haul video, I'll have that linked in the description down below because there are so many amazing makeup products at Dollar General for such amazing prices. I've been trying out a lot of them as part of this series and I seriously am blown away by all of the makeup I've tried out. So this one here is the Major Monochrome Matte and Shimmer Blush Duo. It retails for $4.75. I got this in the shade Gallivanter. And I don't think I've seen a blush like this before, and I think it is so genius because half of it is matte, the other half is shimmer, and I love blush. Like, blush is something I usually always go overboard with applying, but I love matte blushes and I love shimmer blushes. So with this, it's like a two-in-one. I can go with my mood and get whatever blush look I want. And I'm so excited to see how these look alone, how they look together. So first I'm gonna go ahead and swatch them. Oh, whoa. The matte side is a little bit more of like a hard formula, then the shimmer side was really soft. So I kind of like squished the shimmer side a little bit since it was so soft. But whoa! That is so pigmented and so pretty. This is like actually it's almost like a dupe for the blush that I use every day, which unfortunately I dropped and it shattered, but I'm still using it. And it's the Pixie Beach Rose blush. So this is basically the same color. So I may just have to throw that blush away since it's completely shattered, like almost unusable, and use this blush instead if it works when I apply it to my face. But I love a bronzy blush. And then the shimmer shade is also more of like a bronzy rose gold shade. So here are what those swatches look like. I'm so excited. They are very pigmented. And right now I am probably the most tan I have ever been in my life, or that I have been in many years. I recently got back from Cabo, Mexico. You may have seen my vlog that I posted. So the sun is strong there and I got some color and I feel like these are going to be good shades for my current skin tone. So first on one cheek, I'm gonna apply the matte side here. So I picked up a slightly smaller blush brush just so I could fit it in the pan here and only pick up one side. Tap off any excess. I'm going to try and go in with a light hand because these are very pigmented. Pick up a little more. I love this shade. I am so excited that I found a new replacement for the Beach Rose by Pixie blush that I use literally every day since I got it. I love that blush, but I can't use it with it as shattered as it is. So this is so nice. It's buildable and matte on the skin, but not drying. I feel like I'm applying a lot, but I think I'm just not used to having a tan where it takes a little bit more to apply to see it compared to when I'm super pale. So this builds up so nicely, easy to apply. On the other cheek, I'm gonna go ahead and apply the shimmer version. Ooh. This one almost kind of has like a metallic finish to it. And the color I would say is a little bit lighter of a rose gold, so a little bit more peachy than bronze. But whoa, that looks really beautiful on the skin. Like a beautiful highlighter. See how it just kind of gave like that wet skin, super glowy, like metallic finish, like, but the most smooth, even sheen. Wow, I love that. That's such a beautiful texture. And it looks so smooth and like undetectable on my skin, which is something that's really important to me in my highlighters. Like I don't want it to look like a powder visible texture, but it's the smoothest, undetectable texture, but so shiny and glowy. So they really are very different, the matte side versus the shimmer side, but both so pretty. You definitely don't need a highlighter with this shimmer blush, so I love that. Now I'm going to go ahead and apply some of the shimmer on top of the matte so we can see how these look together. Oh yeah, perfect combination. I'm just going to go ahead and go over the nose a little bit to pull the look together. Oh, I love that. So a little bit less intense of a shine on this side, also because I didn't apply as much, but I feel like the two combined together gives me the perfect sun-kissed, radiant glow that I want from my blush. Wow, such a gorgeous combination, gorgeous color, gorgeous texture. I truly love this. I'm just gonna apply a little bit more and like kind of focus it a little bit here where I apply my highlighter. Applying a little bit more shimmer. But wow, okay, this is my new blush to go with my bronzed skin and to replace my current favorite blush. And I love when I find a dupe for a favorite product at such an affordable price. And this is almost better than my current favorite blush because the Pixie one is only matte. And in this case, I can do matte or I can do shimmer highlighted look. So love this so much. Highly recommend it. I did see that this comes in other shades, but when I was at the Dollar General, this was the only one they had left in the store. So I think I really lucked out with this. But I'd be so curious to hear if you have tried this out in other shades. They may even make versions other than blush. If so, definitely let me know your thoughts and your experience with those in the comments down below. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.